my daughter asked me to make a bikini for her LOLs. So I came up with a little bikini top and grass skirt. And to make it as simple as possible, this one has no buttons. It just sits on the doll. So this one's really, really easy to make. So I'm going to make it for this little lady because these dolls go swimming with us every week. So going to be using a 2mm hook and embroidery thread, and I just happen to be using this sort of two-tone green embroidery thread. So you're going to start off by making a slip knot. And chain 13. 2, 12, 13. In the second chain from the hook, do 1 single crochet. And 1 single crochet in the next 2 chain. So that's 3 single crochet that you've done to start off. Then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 chain, and in the next 4 chain, do 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 chain and single crochet in the remaining 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now that's your first row done. This is the bikini top. So chain 1 and turn your work and do 1 single crochet in the first 3 single crochets. So 1 in each stitch, 1, 2, and 3, and then you come to the chain 3 space. So in the chain 3 space, do 3 single crochets. 1, 2. You can do it around the chain instead of into the chain. It's easier and it doesn't make any difference. Then you have your 4 single crochet at the front. So put 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's 1 single crochet into each stitch. You then come to your chain 3 space, put 3 single crochet into the chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3, and you should have 3 single crochet left, and put 1 single crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, cut your thread and pull that thread through. You then need to weave your thread in and out of your bikini top. So whatever way it suits you, as long as that thread doesn't unravel. So you just weave it in and out. So that is your bikini top done. So it just stays on the doll. It doesn't need a button or anything on the back. And I just weaved in the 2 threads and cut them. And so bikini top for your LOL doll done. Now let's do the grass skirt. Okay, for the skirt, little grass skirt, you're going to start by making a slip knot and chaining 15 stitches. 1, 2, 14 and 15, and then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round. It's really important you don't twist your chain, so you should have a little loop like that. Chain 1, and you're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch around, so you should have 15 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, last stitch, 15, and then slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round, like that. So this is the beginning of your skirt. Now what you're going to do is chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This chain 5 counts as a double crochet and 2 chain. Into the same spot, into the same chain space that came out of, do a double crochet. Now skip 2 chain and into the 3rd chain along, do a double crochet, 2 chain and a double crochet all into the same space. So a double crochet, 2 chain and a double crochet all into the same space. Skip 2 chain and into the 3rd chain along, do a double crochet, 2 chain and a double crochet all into the same chain space, all into the same stitch. Skip 2 chain, 1, 2 and into the 3rd one along, do a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet. Skip 2 chain and into the 3rd one along, do a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet, and you should have 2 chain left. And what you do is you count up 1, 2, 3 chain of the beginning of the round of the chain 5 and slip stitch to it like that, and that is the first round of your grass skirt. So for round 2, you're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, this counts as a double crochet and a chain 2, and into the same space do a double crochet. 1. You're gonna now the next place you're gonna do your double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. You skip your chain 2, and in between the middle of the 2 double crochets there is a little stitch here. If you can see that, in between the 2 double crochet of the previous round, you do a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet all in to the same space. You skip the chain 2, and in between the next 2 double crochets of the previous round you do a double crochet, and I'm going to run out of thread here, chain 2 and a double crochet all into the same space. Now I'm just going to join this thread. Okay, so I ran out of thread, so I just joined some thread on. So again, you skip the chain 2 space, and in between the 2 double crochet do a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet all into the same space. Skip the 2 chain, and in between the 2 double crochet do a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet, and it should bring you back to the beginning. So you have a chain 2 space here, and you're just going to count up 1, 2, 3 chain of the chain 5 at the beginning of the round and slip stitch to it. Chain 1, cut your thread and pull that thread through. And again, you need to weave this piece of thread in and out of your skirt. And basically, that's your grass skirt done. So, I'm just going to weave this in and put it on the doll and show you the finished part. There we go. Grass skirt and bikini top. Very simple. You can see that in the light. Thanks for watching.